This 12-inch Yasisid steel tongue drum offers 15 clearly tuned notes in the key of C, giving both beginners and experienced players a surprisingly wide melodic range for improvisation or structured pieces. The alloy shell and carefully shaped tongues produce a warm, bell-like tone with long sustain that works especially well in quiet gardens, meditation spaces, and small group settings. Its cheerful yellow finish, bare motif center tongue, and tidy square surrounding tongues make it as visually appealing as a garden ornament as it is satisfying to play. The included mallets, finger pads, note stickers, and music booklet make it easy to get started quickly, even if you have never touched a handpan-style instrument before. Because the sound is gentle yet resonant, it suits yoga sessions, mindfulness practice, music therapy, and even calming activities with children or during prenatal relaxation. A padded carrying bag with strap helps protect the drum and makes it simple to move between home, studio, and outdoor garden areas without worrying about scuffs.